Hi friends, it's Miss Jenifer from Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm going to show you how to play the A major scale. That's right, I'm going to take you through and show you how to play the A major scale 1 and 2 octaves with all the correct fingerings, hands together and separately. Before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching the video. If you find it at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. All right, before we get started, the first thing we need to know is that the key of A major has 3 sharps. That's F, C, and G sharp are in the key of A major, and hence they are also in the A major scale. So I'm going to take you through the right hand first, just giving you the letter names. They are as follows: A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. Coming back down, that's A, G sharp, F, E, D, C sharp, B, A. The finger numbers are as follows: 1, 2, 3, your thumb goes on D, 2, 3, 4, 5, back down, that's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cross your 3 to C sharp, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's take a look at the left hand. The left hand has the same letter names, so I'm just going to take you through the finger numbers. They are as follows: 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we're going to cross our third finger over to the F sharp. 3, 2, 1. Back down, that's 1, 2, 3. You're going to tuck your thumb under to E. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now when we put them together, what we know, what's always tricky with scales is that our thumbs don't play at the same time on a lot of the scales. This is one included. So I'm going to go slowly through the letter names, and I'm going to point out where the thumbs go. So we've got A, B, both 3s go on C sharp. Then we're going to take our right hand thumb and it goes on D, but our left hand 2 is going to play D. Then our right hand 2 is on E, left hand thumb is on E. Both third fingers go on F sharp, G sharp, A. Back down, that's A, G sharp, F sharp. Take your left hand thumb and tuck it under to E. Right hand is going to use 2. D, both 3s on C sharp. Then B, A. Let me do a little smoother. A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. Back down, that's A, G sharp, F sharp. Thumb goes on E in your left hand. D, C sharp, B, A. There we go. That's 1 octave. Okay, when we put hands together for 2 octaves, there's 3 things that if you can remember that are going to help make it so much easier. We're going to concentrate on where our right hand thumb is going to play when we're going up, and we're going to concentrate on where our left hand thumb goes on the way down, and then we're going to always remember that our third fingers are going to play at the same time. If you can remember those 3 things, it'll help make 2 octaves so much easier. And then you can apply the same technique to 3 octaves, 4 octaves, however many octaves you want to do. Okay, so we're going to focus on our right hand thumb landing on A and D, and then A and D. So that's what we want to think about on the way up, is making sure our right hand thumb is landing on A and D. Okay? So on the way down, we want to think about our left hand, where that thumb is going to land. And it's going to land on A and E, A and E. All right. Then when you come to a point where you're going to cross a finger over, you're going to look at the other hand. So for example, when I get here, I'm getting ready to cross my left hand. I can see that my right hand is about to put 3 on F sharp. I want to make sure that I cross my 3 in my left hand because 3s play at the same time. So that's going to tell you what to cross. So if one hand is playing 3, the other's hand is going to cross 3. And for example, when you get to this spot, got both thumbs on A. My right hand's about to play 2 on B. So that means I don't want to cross my third finger. And my left hand, I need to cross my 4. Okay, third finger's at the same time here. Tuck your thumb under to D, okay? So that's how that kind of works, is those 2. So I'm going to walk us through those things the first time I show us hands together. Okay, here we go. So we're thinking about on the way up, we're going to remember that our right hand thumb goes on A and D, putting third fingers at the same time. So this is what it looks like. So we got A, B, C sharp. We're going to put our right hand thumb on D. We're at a cross point, so see how our right hand 3 is going to play F sharp? That means the left hand's going to play F sharp with 3. G, F sharp, G sharp, both thumbs on A. Then we're at a cross point. So our right hand's about to play 2. That means the left hand is not going to cross 3. We want to cross 4. Then both our third fingers are on C sharp. Our right hand thumb goes on D. Here's our cross point. 3's on F sharp. 3's on F sharp. Then G sharp, A. Back down, we're going to think about our left hand thumb playing A and E. Like this. A, G sharp, F sharp. We're going to put our left hand thumb on E. Then we're at a cross point. We've got third finger in our left hand, so that means right hand is going to cross third finger. Then we're going to put both thumbs on A. We're at a cross point. 2 on G sharp in the left hand, so that means 4 on G sharp in the right hand, because we want both third fingers on F sharp. Our left hand thumb goes on E. Cross point. 3 in the left, so 3 in the right. That's C sharp, B, A. Okay, I'm going to go through a little smoother. A, B, C sharp, thumb on D. E, cross 3 to F sharp, G sharp, both thumbs on A. Cross 4 to B, C sharp, thumb on D in your right hand. E, cross 3 on F sharp, G sharp, A. Back down. A, G sharp, F sharp, thumb on E in your left hand. E, D, both third fingers on C sharp, B, thumbs on A, cross 4 on G, because the left hand 2 is on G sharp, F sharp, thumb on E in your left hand, D, both 3's on C sharp, B, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. There it is. There is our A major 1 and 2 octave scale. I would master the 1 octave scale first. Once you get that mastered, come back and try your hand at the 2 octaves. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Thank you so much. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, like, and share. See you next time.